What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra's tiny bezels showcase the first live photos. Photos show that the phone will be very narrow bezels at the top and bottom. The authoritative insider Ice Universe has published the first photos of the protective glass of the flagship smartphone Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, which is due to be presented early next year. The photos show that the phone will have very narrow bezels at the top and the bottom. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is expected to feature a 6.8 inches AMOLED display with curved edges. The front selfie camera will be 40 megapixels. In addition to the 108 megapixel main camera sensor, there will be an ultra-wide-angle 12 megapixel camera sensor and the two 12 megapixel telephoto camera sensors with 3x and 10x optical zoom. The ultra-wide-angle camera will be equipped with optical image stabilization for the first time in the smartphone. Also, users have noticed that Samsung has abandoned the massive camera stake. This could mean that each module will now bulge out of the case individually. Previously, the authoritative insider Ice Universe has commented on the first photo of the back panel of the flagship smartphone Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, which appeared on the Chinese social network Weibo. The back cover of this alleged Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is generally correct, but it lacks a flash hole, so it may not be the final version. The smartphone should get a compartment for the storing the S Pen stylus, which can be inserted into the smartphone through the lower left corner, just like the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, while the current S21 Ultra is also S Pen compatible. The smartphone does not have room for a stylus, so you will need to buy a matching case for it. To add room for the stylus, Samsung will have to reshape the case and move away from the rounded corners that are so characteristic of the Galaxy S series. So, the new model will have a lot more similarities with the more rectangular Note line. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S22 Ultra early next year. Galaxy S22 series models will ship with the proprietary Exynos 2200 chip, an integrated AMD RDNA2 graphics accelerator, or Snapdragon 898 based on GPU depending on the market. Ice Universe has provided accurate information on the Samsung smartphones and image sensors many times, including the recent announcements of the new 50 megapixels and 200 megapixel sensors. He was the first to show accurate images of the smartphones with waterfall displays. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.